In today's video, we will see how to fix the Verizon Fios router G3100 yellow light, meaning and full troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Check for a Verizon Fios outage. So, before changing the router settings, sign in into my Verizon and check whether an outage is affecting your address. If an outage is listed, the yellow light should disappear automatically after Verizon restored the services. Fix 2. Restart the G3100 router. Unplug the router power adapter from the electrical outlet. Wait at least 1 minute, reconnect the power and allow the router several minutes to start. You can also press and hold the front unified buttons for approximate 10 seconds to reboot it. Fix 3. Check the WAN Ethernet cable. So inspect the Ethernet cable running from the Verizon ONT or wall Ethernet outlet to the router. Disconnect any firmly reconnect it to the WAN Ethernet port, not one of the LAN port. Replace the cable temporarily if it loose, damaged or badly bent. The fix 4. Check the coaxial cable. Okay, so when your Fios installation use coax or include Fios TV, make sure the coax cable is firmly secured into the router and wall outlet. Then check any coaxial splitter from loose connections or visible damage. Fix 5. Check the Verizon ONT. Locate the optical network terminal which may be installed in a garage, basement, utility room or outside box. Confirm that its power supply is plugged in and that its power indicator is illuminated. If the ONT has no power or shows warning light, use Verizon equipment troubleshooters rather than the opening the ONT yourself. Fix 6. Test the internet again. Wait until the router finish starting and check whether the front light changed to solid white. Then test the connection on multiple devices if only one device cannot connect. And then restart that device. Forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect using the password printed on the router label. And the fix 7. Factory reset the router. So keep the router powered on, insert a paper clip into the red reset button on the back, hold it for 15 seconds then release it. Now wait for the router to restart and reconnect. After resetting, use the default Wi-Fi name and password printer or the router label. And the final fix, contact Verizon support. If the light remains yellow after checking the outage, cable and ONT and factory reset, Verizon may need to repair the Fios line, reprovision the router or replace fault equipment and contact Fios technical support at 1-800-837-4966 and available 24/7. Goodbye, thanks for watching.